DarwinFPV CineApe 25 Ultra Durable 112mm Cinematic Cinewhoop Drone. Analog, HD PNP-BNF. Step into the world of cinematic FPV with the DarwinFPV CineApe 25, the brand's first ever Cinewhoop drone, engineered for smooth, immersive video capture in tight environments. Designed with new pilots and seasoned pros in mind, the CineApe 25 balances crash-resistant construction, flight-tested components, and incredible value, making it one of the most approachable and reliable 2.5 Cinewhoops on the market. Built to withstand and built to fly. Crafted with a dual carbon fiber plate frame and high-strength injection molded prop guards, the CineApe 25 is built for durability without compromising agility. This robust design ensures your drone survives collisions, all while allowing easy disassembly and fast repairs, perfect for on-the-go creators or beginner crashers. Proven power and smooth handling. At its core, the CineApe 25 is powered by the widely trusted 1504 to 3600 kV motors, known for their smooth throttle response, power efficiency, and reliability in Cinewhoop class builds. Paired with the Blue J30 AESC 3-4S, you get clean, consistent performance whether you're shooting slow cinematic fly-throughs or zipping through tighter gaps. Intelligent electronics with simplified maintenance. Flight controller. F411 MPU 6500 with OSD, AT7456E. Split stack design. Lowers repair costs and simplifies upgrades. Ports. S-Bus, multiple UARTs, RGB, buzzer, USB-C for easy Betaflight access. Tuning. External Type-C port for direct flight tuning without disassembly. Every component uses mature, reliable solutions to ensure your drone stays in the air and out of the workbench. Choose analog or digital FPV. Available in 2 video transmission variants to suit your style and budget. Small diamond analog version includes an analog camera, paired with a 600 mW analog VTX. Great for low latency analog FPV with budget-friendly parts. Small diamond HD digital version features the Avatar Mini 1S walk-snail system. Delivers crisp, real-time 720p HD FPV. Ideal for cinematic flying and future-proof digital setups. Compact but mighty, perfect Cinewhoop dimensions. Wheelbase, 112mm. Frame layout, True X for balanced flight. Body size, 160 x 160 x 43mm. Propellers, 6-blade T63mmX6 for stable indoor flight. Hover time, approximately 9 minutes with 4S 850 mAh battery. Recommended battery and weight info. Recommended battery, 4S 650 mAh to 850 mAh LiPo. Dry weight, no battery, 146 grams. With 4S 850 mAh battery, 238 grams. With battery plus runcam thumb, approximately 250 grams. With battery plus sports camera, e.g., 4K Nano 1, 311 grams. Stay under 250 grams with the right setup for legal, registration-free flight in many regions. Perfect for beginners and FPV filmmakers alike. Beginner-friendly build, durable frame, easy repair, pre-tuned. Cost-effective, professional performance at an accessible price. Modular design. Upgrade as you grow in the hobby. Legal weight compliance. Optimized for sub-250G builds. Excellent hover time. Up to 9 minutes with proper battery. Package includes. Varies by BNF, PNP and video variant. 1x DarwinFPV CineApe 25 drone, analog or HD. 4x T63mmX6 propellers, pre-installed. 1x F411 flight stack with 30 AESC. 4x 1504 3600 kV motors. 1x Type-C tuning access port, optional. Camera system, analog, HD Avatar, depending on model. Battery not included. Available in PNP, plug and play, add your own receiver. BNF, bind and fly, pre-installed receiver, specified protocol.